Hi everyone, this is group number 1. I'm Wei. The topic of our project is incident commander application in Android operating system. The mass casualty incident (MCI) is any kind of accident or disaster that involves a large number of casualties and or damage. Usually at the time, overwhelming number of victims and limited time and resources, such as medicine, personnel, and equipment, would require rapid patient aid, acute aid, and efficient evacuation plan. Compared to a traditional MCI management system, which involves using pay-per-click task and managed communication, the modern wireless electrical MCI management system can provide more quick response and more efficient distribution of resources. Incident Commander is the control center of the whole MCI management system. It collects the number and the status of victims in disaster scene, checks the location of responder and victims, direct responders rescue activities, um, and restores the real-time data for each responder, the teams, and the event condition in particular time point. Additionally, it can delay or create evacuation areas. So these are all of the functionality of our project.
Hello, Yuan. Now we will have a brief introduction of our whole design. In our design, when we start the activity, the operation activity and the internet service will both start. The internet service is used to connect with the activity and the server. It will transfer the data from the server and then store all the data in the database. So for the other part of the design, we will get the data from the database. For example, the map view. The map view is a very important part of the operation activity. It will show all the data from the server, but the data from that is directly from the database. And in the map view, when the user clicks one spot on the map view, it will start an operation window. The user can send commands through the operation window, such as send the responder to one victim, like that. And after that, the window will close and go back to the operation activity. We will have a detailed history record in the history activity. It is another important part of the whole design, and this is not only shows the detailed history in the application, and also it will have a reminder to remind the user which victim is not be considered. Also, we want to install another function that is the pre-decision activity in the design. The pre-decision activity is used to make a decision before the user. All the user needs to do is to confirm the activity or change some part of the command, and then make the decision. It will save a lot of time. All the commands will send to the internet service and then send to the server. So first we'll have this is our operation activity layout. We can see here in the center of the activity it is a map view. We try to maximum the area of the map view so it could be as clear as possible. And we will also have several buttons such as the set area, the delete the set area, and also the view history is the link to the history activity. On the left of the activity, we have a chart summary. It will summary a lot of things such as the different levels, the number of every level of victims, the available responders, and so on. This is a brief summary here, and also at the bottom of the activity, that is the timeline. The timeline shows the events and with their times. It's just a very brief review of the event because the whole detailed event will shown on the history activity. Here is our history activity. There are three parts. The first one is the red one, it's a detailed history. It shows all the details in the history in the whole activity. And then is the reminder. Reminder is used to remind the user which part to be considered or which victim is not be considered. And then we have a pre-decision link to the pre-decision activity. So this is our design brief instruction of our application. So thank you everyone.